is a directed net. Only trained Sky 1 spotters in Sector 2 or other ham operators with significant weather information are encouraged to participate in this net. All other stations are asked to refrain from commenting or breaking in except for emergency or priority traffic, or if conditions permit, we may ask for non-spotter observations. Will not be taking check-ins. Your information will be collected when you are reporting criteria. When you give your report to Net Control, please give your call sign, your name, spotter ID number, your location, the time of the significant weather, and of course that criteria. Please speak slowly. We may ask you to repeat it several times to make sure we have the correct information. Please be brief and talk slowly so that all significant weather information can be recorded and forwarded to the National Weather Service. KA7AOK, Net Control for Sector 2 Sky 1.
And underpasses as well as other port range areas. East response. Do not attempt to travel across Arizona, northwestern Pinal County and southeastern Arizona until 8:45 Mountain Standard Time. At 8:16 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from near Falcon Field Airport to Phoenix Mesa Gate Wireport to near Oberg and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mesa, Chandler, Scottsdale, Gilbert, Tempe, Apache Junction, Fountain Hills, Paradise Valley, Sun Lakes, East Mesa, Queen Creek, Bapchul, Seville, Sandan Mountain Park, Mesa Riverview Mall, Gilbert City Hall, Tempe Marketplace, Camelback Mountain, Papago Park in downtown Scottsdale. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time